Elementor's layout system is built around 3 core components: sections, columns, and widgets. Start by editing any page in Elementor and click the plus icon to add a new section. Think of a section like a full-width row. It defines the horizontal boundaries of your content. Next, choose the number of columns. Columns sit inside sections and help you divide the space. For example, 2 side-by-side columns for text and an image. Once your layout is in place, you'll drag widgets into the columns. Widgets are your content tools: headings, images, buttons, icons, and more. Each widget can be styled independently using the left panel. By combining sections, columns, and widgets, you can create flexible, responsive layouts tailored to your site's content. Once you master these building blocks, the possibilities are endless.
Need more help? New Target's tailor-made support plans have you covered. Learn more at newtarget.com.